Welcome to Miss Dennis the Menace Art Teacher channel. Today we're going to learn how to draw Stitch. What you see here is my pencil drawing, and then I outlined it with a black marker so that the lines that I wanted to keep were more visible. So we're going to go ahead and get started. You're going to need a piece of paper and a pencil, and we'll go ahead and get started. So the first shape that I'm going to draw is going to be an oval-like shape that's going to be used for Stitch's head. So we'll start off, I'm going to start off at the top of my paper and sort of create that shape. It's I do want to leave room on either side for Stitch's ears, so that's why I'm making it so much smaller. The next step is we're going to draw a line down the center for the line of symmetry. And that's so that we know that whatever is on one side is going to be the same on the other. Okay. Then I'm going to come down a little bit lower. This line will be for the part of the eyes. So the line that for the bottom, where the bottom of the eyes are going to sit, is lower. That's because this character, his eyes take up most of his face. And that might have a reason why it makes him look so cute. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to draw the nose. Now the nose goes in the center of the face, and it looks, Stitch's nose looks a lot like a dog nose. So we'll do part of it above this line. So we're going to do like a line like this, and then we're going to round it like this. There's a lot of rounded edges. Okay. And then you can have sort of an opening right here for his nostrils. We're not really coloring anything in yet. So these two, this horizontal line that we have here, this is important because it is going to be where these eyes are going to sit. Okay. So to help me make sure that my eyes are the same size, I'm going to draw another line up here so that the bottom of the eye is going to touch here and the top of the eye will touch there. Okay, actually, might need to bring that down a little bit. Sorry about that. It's all about, that's why I draw really lightly, so if I mess up and I need to move a line, I can just easily erase it. All right, so these eyes run right up against the side of the nose, and they are going to touch the top and the bottom. Like this. Touch the top of the line and the bottom line. These are very similar to ovals. Okay. Now this one looks a lot smaller, so I can go back and fix it a little bit. Maybe widen it out like I did the other one. And then I can erase. Now the other thing is, Stitch has these little little circles right there. This is where the light reflects off of the pupil. Just so that you understand, I'm going to so you understand what part is his eye. I'm going to lightly shade this in. Now if I was going to finish this drawing in pencil, I could leave this pencil on here, but if I'm going to finish it in pen and ink, eventually I will have to erase all of this. So don't color in dark. Okay. And there we go. Okay. Now the next step are these big outline shape here. They very closely resemble the shape of the eyes, but you'll notice that they touch the top of the head and go below the eye. But they go right up in between the nose and the eye. And we're going to bring it all the way, kind of coming here, and then it comes a little bit below that line. All right, and going to do the same thing here. This line in between, we're going to put a line in between the eye and the nose, and bring it up like this. And this curves all the way like with the side of Stitch's face. And brings it down like that. We're doing good so far. Now you'll notice that with his mouth, much like a dog's mouth would, we're going to have that little line that comes here. And usually Stitch has a smile that reaches his whole face, or around his whole face. So I'm going to draw a line like this, horizontal line like that, and going to curve it up, and believe that this smile reaches on either side. Once on this side, on this eye, and on the outside of that eye. Okay, and we've gotten, this is most likely the hardest part of drawing Stitch, is getting this face right. One more, we're going to do like a little bottom lip line. Okay. Okay.